Okay, today we're going to have a look at a Landis CH. This is a hydraulic grinder. It's a hydraulic machine. It's currently wired for 440. As everything is running on it at the moment, the down feed or the pick feed with a little effort could be gotten to come back to life, but right now it is not working. We got a variable speed workhead here. By rotating this knob we get different speeds. This is the start and stop lever. This, if operated correctly, will start the headstock, and then when you throw it all the way to the right, it starts the table moving. This is your table reversal lever here, and your controls for your table speed, your dwell, and the feed on and off and left and right. These are your spindle on and off, hydraulic on and off. Your tailstock here, your feed up, feed down wheel here, grinding spindle. This has the Landis spherical bearings in there. They were from the earliest models on. Machine actually is getting very good lubrication to the ways. We'll give you a close-up of that in a little bit, but it's pumping plenty of oil. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. So that's the grinding wheel running and the hydraulic unit. Most of the noise you hear is the hydraulic unit. Over here, starts the headstock. That's variable. It's live only. In other words, it's always going to rotate the spindle. And then when we go over to here, we get our feed. So this is your table speed. Slow that down. So that's the Landis CH 30 by 36. These are factory risers, as I said. Machine is as it is. Everything seems to be functioning other than the down feed. So thank you very much.